Every citizen in Australia should be thinking about how to use power efficiently and look for the most efficient way of doing things rather than being profligate in the way you use power. When we looked at the hot water problem, I was familiar with the principles involved. I did quite a bit of work with refrigeration systems. So I knew that a heat pump basically takes the heat out of the atmosphere and transfers it into the hot water. So if you were to put your hand at the back of a refrigerator, you'd find it's very hot. And that is the heat being pumped out of the refrigerator to make everything cold inside. This is the opposite to your fridge, really, where you're taking the energy used to transform the heat, and you're taking heat out of the atmosphere and putting it into your hot water. Installing the heat pump for our hot water was not a problem. I contacted the company, we made a time, they arrived, pulled out the old, which was externally fitted hot water service, pulled that one out and had a new one in place within an hour or two. We're quite frugal in our use of electricity normally, but if you have guests in the house, guests tend to not think about efficiencies. So whenever we've had guests in the house, we've noticed the electricity bill has gone up. We would like to retain better control on how our electricity gets used and look for efficiencies wherever we can. We've had the system now for about 4 months and our electricity bill is reduced. If you are serious about saving money on electricity, you need to know what's consuming it, how to manage that. A heat pump hot water service is so much more efficient than a directly electrically heated water supply.